Hi, it's Lee Tessier, eXp Realty, and I wanted to talk about buying and selling in today's market. So November, December was a little slower. Now January's been crazy, and so is February. So you've got to be more prepared than ever. If you're looking, you own a house currently, and then you're looking to buy another home, whether you're downsizing or upsizing, it comes back to getting the financial education you can ahead of time. So our team's divided in buyer specialists and listing specialists. We have two specialists that are really good at that side of it because it takes two different profiles. And then the third piece is a lender, unless you're paying cash. If you're paying cash, you don't need the lender part, but a lot of cases people are either taking the equity out of the home that they have to use it as a down payment. They have some cash and then they need equity. So there's a couple things that can be done. You can do a home equity line. You have to do that before you put your home on the market. There's quite a few options out there. If you want a particular bank, give me a call. I'm happy to give you our suggestion because you want to make sure you're getting minimal fees. If you close it early, a lot of them make you keep it open for 3 years. Or are you keeping the current, do you own a townhouse or something that you want to keep as a rental property? You've owned it for 10 years, you got a really good interest rate on it, and then you just need some of the equity out of it to buy the next house, or do you have enough for that down payment period? So there's options there. Some people are buying the new house, selling the other house, then doing they call it a principal curtailment, which is putting that additional money down. That's one of the things that can be done. Home equity line was the other. Or, hey, do you need to sell then buy, which in today's market is really, really tough getting a contingency. Last year in November and December was much easier because the market was slower. Sales were down 40%. Sales are still down, but now we're seeing those offers. Some are selling just at list pricing and even giving a concession because they're priced too high or not in the greatest condition. Again, it comes back to pricing. The ones that are priced appropriately are selling somewhere upwards of 10% over. So just know that some of these things that are going on, colonials in the Hartford County area, Bel Air, Forest Hill, Falston, very desirable. Ranchers, same thing. The other thing, if you're a first-time home buyer and you're looking to purchase a home, say you're looking for a rancher, and then we have somebody that's a boomer that's downsizing out of the colonial to that rancher to get to a smaller house, less maintenance and so forth. Now you're competing with somebody that has a lot of equity, a lot of funds, and you're a first-time homeowner without a lot of money. So just really competitive, and these are some of the things that we're seeing depending on what you're buying. So for questions leading you through this and to get these specialists to help you purchase, give us a call, and we're happy to create what we need as a strategy session. We'll want to see your house. You want to meet with the lender. We have several trusted lenders, and we look at what the aspects of your current situation so we can help place that with you, because a lot of people call like, hey, what are the next steps? I said the next steps would be, let's sit down and talk. Let's go through a needs analysis of what you really want. Let's look at a strategy session moving forward of how do we set that up for you. Let's have the listing agent come and look at your house. Do you want to sell it? Do you want to rent it? We do property management as well, so we could, if you did want to rent it, we can help you with all that you don't have the headaches of it. Or, hey, I just want to pull the equity out of it. I want to be able to be either a cash buyer for that next house or have a large down payment that I'm not contingent on selling this house, because of the contingencies you're not seeing get accepted in today's market. So let's set this up for success rather than, hey, you're getting beat out, and you're so frustrated and you say, forget it, I'm staying for a while. And then all of a sudden we see what happened to the people that tried to buy the last couple years. And now, look at interest rates are much higher, prices are much higher. Now you should have bought a year or two ago, but you got frustrated because you didn't do these things to get set up for success. So if you've gone through this and it's very frustrating, if you've gone through it and you would like to set up a strategy session, give us a call at the office, 410-638-9555. We'll be happy to sit down. Let's set all this up for you so you can have a successful outcome, not a very frustrating one. And the market, I will tell you, is frustrating because inventory is low. Hartford County has about 200 homes on the market. Baltimore County has about 700. Both of them are between 50 and 60% of what normal or 5-year average would be. So again, it's down 40 to 50% in inventory. So again, pricing keeps pushing up. So things did slow down in November and December because of interest rates. When rates spiked up in October, and you're seeing around 7%, now we're seeing between the 5s and 6s, and I think we're going to stay consistent there for a while. So again, for any questions, give us a call at the office, 410-638-9555. Have a great day.